Hello and welcome back to my channel, Hold the Studio Graphic Design. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to create a professional logo in just 5 minutes. Now you might be wondering why a professional logo is important. Well, a logo is the face of your brand and it represents your business in all aspects. A professional logo can help to build trust with your audience and differentiate your business from your competitors. So let's get started on creating a logo for your brand using Canva, a free graphic design tool. The first step in creating your logo is to choose the right design element. Canva has a wide range of templates to choose from, so you can pick one that suits your brand. Now that we have selected the key design elements, it's time to customize this logo. Add your brand name, tagline, or any other design element that you feel aligns with your brand. Once you've selected your template, it's time to choose the right colors. Colors play a very important role in your logo, so choose colors that represent your brand and resonate with your audience. Next, we have to choose the right font for your logo. It's important to choose a font that's easy to read and aligns with your brand's personality. Remember, a professional logo is an important aspect of your brand, so take time to create one that truly represents your business. Congratulations, now you have created your own professional logo in just 5 minutes. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and videos like this one.